There's a lot that goes into this contract work. Not to bore you to death, but I mean, there's just all these things to think about if you're going to do something like what I'm doing. Learn your craft, be good with people. I love what I do though, truly do. Good morning everybody, Sean with American Window Concepts. And today we're doing something a little bit different. We are going to call for service. It's a customer that we've already installed for. Basically, we have to do a re-roll of a mesh on a screen door because his dog went through it. Basically, they just asked if we would come out to do it, and I said I would just do it for free of charge. You know, first time, you know, their animal went through the screen door, so we'll go take care of this for them. But we've left Ventura and we're heading towards Santa Barbara, and just kind of want to talk a little bit about, you know, the life of a contractor, you know, where I started off. So if you've seen my videos before, you know that I started off working at a manufacturer, and that was huge. It was great. Learned a lot about building windows and quality and the service department, so how to work on the windows themselves. And then it got to the point where I felt that it would be great if I could come out and do our installs, learning the right way to do things and just only do it the right way. So started the business, American Window Concepts, and it's been great ever since. Getting up early in the morning and getting ready for the emails and phone calls that we receive now. It's not quite like it used to be a couple of years back. It's getting way busier. A lot of driving, meeting with customers, potential customers, return visits, kind of like what we're doing right now. You know, most times I would have an installer take care of this, but I'm already going to Santa Barbara for other things, so I figured, you know, this is where I come from. I know how to do all these things, so I'm not too big, I'm not too good to fix a screen door for a customer. There's nothing wrong with that. But there's a lot that goes into this contract work. Everything falls on you, right? So something goes wrong, the culpability is with me. It's with the contractor of the business. You just got to be sure of how you're going to measure things, how you're going to look at things, how you're going to, you know, deal with a customer, answering all their questions. You know, I'm sure there's a lot of people who might watch these videos who are either going to be interested in windows and they're just kind of looking, you know, a little bit more information into it, or possibly a window contractor who's just kind of, I know I do it, I'll watch other videos of people who are installing windows and just kind of see how their techniques are. It's pretty cool. I like doing that. And then you have the people who are like installers, or just people who are just curious about this. Some people might be interested in actually becoming a contractor, and if you're one of those people, do it. I mean, if you feel like you're great with people, that's going to be a big thing. You got to be trustworthy with people, because I don't care who you are, everybody judges. Take it how you want, but that's just human nature. So you got to have a trustworthy way about you, you know? I mean, you can be like some, very small few, I'm sure, that, you know, they're just in it for the money. Because you can make some, you know, good money doing this job, but, you know, I'm really into the longevity. I want things to go long term. But if you're interested in doing something like this, just make sure you are a master of your craft, you're good with people, and that also means being good with employees, because by design, unless you're just going to be a one-man crew, you're probably going to need employees. So being good with the people that you hire, you know, retaining, that's probably one of the hardest things in my job, is retaining good talent. Sometimes you get a high turnover rate in construction, and I do my best to find the good ones and keep them. And the best way you're going to do that is, you know, the obvious stuff like, you know, paying them well. But the other thing is going to be appreciation, showing appreciation, you know, because honest to God, I couldn't do this without them. You know, I couldn't be where I'm at right now without good people who are basically the face of American Window Concepts. You know, I'm just one guy. I'm just the person who goes out and measures, and I give people an understanding of what they're looking into or what it's going to be like. But the guys who are doing the installs and anything after is, It's on the installer. So without them, there's really no American Window Concepts. Learn your craft, be good with people, passing tests. Well, here in California, at least, you know, because I can only speak on California because that's where I'm from, it's pretty difficult. It's a very, very stringent test for a C17 glazer, which is what I am. You know, I don't really have any interest for general contracting. I'm very specific to what I want to do, and that's window replacement. So C17, very stringent code. But being able to pass those tests, and then there's the other stuff, which is the other big stuff, which is all your insurances, which is expensive. Oh my gosh, in California, it's so expensive because you have workers' comp, you have your liability insurance. So anyways, all of this stuff that you have to pay in order to drive your cars. You know, there's, you know, the measure car, there's install trucks, all those need to be insured, but commercial insurance. You can't just go to any old insurance place. You have to have commercial insurance, which is going to be inherently more expensive. And then there's your the wages to your people. Not to bore you to death, but I mean, there's just all these things to think about if you're going to do something like what I'm doing. I love what I do, though, truly do. You know, I get to go out and drive and almost see the ocean daily. It reminds me of why I'm here, you know, and how awesome it actually is. But anyways, guys, if you have any questions about what I do, or if you're ever interested in becoming a contractor, I can speak on windows. Okay, so I'm not a framer, I'm not a electrician, so I can't speak on that. I mean, a lot of the insurances are going to be the same, so I can tell you a little bit about that. But if you have any interest in doing something like this, it's a hell of a career. I would never want to stop doing this. You know, I think this is an amazing deal. You know, what I've gotten into here, every day is just a great day. So any questions you may have about this, put that in the comment section. I will return all of your questions with an answer as soon as I possibly can. Thanks for hanging out. Talk soon.
Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Santa Barbara area and you are interested in getting replacement windows or doors, don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com. You can click on the Get a Free Quote and fill out that information. I'll reach out to you within 24 hours. Thank you so much.
Hey guys, thanks again for watching this video. If you want to be kept updated on new videos that are coming out, just hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.